Title of the story: The Red Ants and the Black Ants. In a peaceful garden, there lived two colonies of Ansoni of red ants, and the other of black ants. They both worked hard every day, gathering food and building their homes. But they never spoke to each other, and always kept to themselves. One summer day, a big storm hit the garden. Heavy rain flooded the red ants' home, and they had nowhere to go. They were scared and didn't know what to do. The black ants saw what happened and, instead of ignoring the red ants, decided to help. They invited the red ants to stay with them until the storm passed. The red ants were grateful and accepted the offer. While living together, the red ants and black ants realized they were not so different after all. They worked together, shared food, and helped rebuild each other's homes. When the storm was over, the two colonies decided to stay friends forever. They learned that by helping each other, they could be stronger and happier. Moral of the story: cooperation and kindness can bring even the most different of friends together. 4.